Hey, what is happening? I want to welcome you to the compound, guys. This is one of our hottest things that we got going on right now. This is getting ready to explode. The compound is where we're going to be compounding $10 for the course of 30 days, guys. We're going to compound $10 for 30 days. Now, with the regular compound, all of the money is put in by the person that's compounding, which makes it a little difficult when you get into the high numbers because remember, you're the one putting the money in. But what we've done is this. We've installed our compound system where we have people helping us to compound. Just simply share this with two people coming in with you to compound. This thing is going to explode. So I'm going to get started so I can get you in, get you out. I need you to see this because I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I am super excited about this. We're already on day number 2 of our compounding. When you come in, it will become your day number 1. Everyone that comes in with you, it becomes their day number 1, whatever day you're on. So now check this out. What you're about to do, guys, can change your life within the next 30 days. You could possibly change your life forever within the next 30 days. Welcome to the compound. What we're about to embark upon is a 30-day mission to create wealth for many, many people. And in doing so, all we are asking of you is 3 things. Join our mission for only $10. That's all you need is $10. Ask 2 others to do the same. Just like you join for $10, grab 2 of your friends, they join for $10. And stay focused and working this for 30 days. If you stay focused and working this for 30 days, you're going to be surprised at the outcome. What we're going to do is this. Take that $10, those 2 friends, and those 30 days and turn them into financial freedom. Now, what's the requirements? The requirements are super simple and anyone can do this. This is what makes this thing so exciting for us because anyone can meet up to these requirements. $10, that's all you need is $10, guys. 10 $1 bills, that's all you need. $10 to come in and just refer 2 friends. The referral is mandatory. You must refer 2 friends. Now, when doing this, make sure you're getting people that understand that they must get 2 people. It makes no sense for you to bring someone in that cannot get 2 people. Make sure you're talking to people that can get 2 people at what? $10. Come on, 2 people at $10, that's a no-brainer. Vet them, vetting your 2 referrals. Make 100% sure that the 2 people that you refer into our community can meet the 4 necessary requirements. Number 1, they can register for $10. Number 2, they have the ability to refer 2 people and will do so and work honestly and with integrity. You got to be honest because we're moving money, guys, back and forth amongst ourselves. And number 4, the ability. This is the most important. The ability to stay focused on this project for 30 days. Do me a big favor and do yourself a favor. Please do not bring anyone into our community that cannot get to people for $10 because you're wasting your time and you're wasting theirs. Now, how does it work? Everyone joins for only $10. Each person is required to refer only 2 others. Upgrades are daily with 0 withdrawals. So what that means is there will be no withdrawals taken out until the 30th day. We want to see how much money can we stack compounding this for 30 days. You must upgrade without withdrawing for 30 days straight. That's mandatory. Discipline. In order to achieve this goal, which has such an astronomical payout, it takes focus, discipline, and 100% participation. You cannot be here and not participate. If you cannot meet up to these 3 principles, please do not join us. Please don't join us. We're looking for dedicated people that's determined to get their 2 people that have $10 and want to see the outcome. Now I'm going to get into what you're here for. The compensation for 30 days. Let's take a look at this. Now, moving from the left to the right, these are our days. This is the income based upon that. These are the referrals. You see 2, but then you notice down here it says the same 2 people. So we only need you to get 2 one time. 2 and done. Someone said it on the call last night. 2 and done, right? Total income. That is how much you will be receiving, and this is the new compound. That's where you will be compounding each level. Let's move from the left to the right and do this. On day number 1, let's assume that you're already in for $10. You're going to get your 2 people. When your 2 people come in, you will receive $20. From the $20, right, you're going to go to your new compound, which is day number 2. Day number 2, you're going to compound that $20. When your 2 people do the same thing like you did, that's $40 coming to you. From the 40, you're going to compound for the next day. You're moving into day number 3 at $40. You see nothing is coming out because we're on our way to an astronomical financial goal. So $40 now. When your 2 people do that, you will have 80, which will take you into day number 4, where you're going to drop that 80 to your sponsor. Then your 2 people will drop 160 to you. Each one of them will give you 80. 80 and 80 is 160. From that, you're going to go into your day 5, which is that 160. Your 2 people will follow you into that 160 by giving you 160 each. That means that's 320. You're ready to go into day number 6. Day number 6, you're going to drop 320 to your sponsor. Your 2 people are going to do the same thing, dropping you 320 each for a total of 640. The numbers are going to get crazy in a minute, guys. You see, I'm already at day 6, and we're already up to 640. Day number 7, that 640 you just collected from your 2 people, you're going to drop that into your sponsor. That's for day 7. You just upgraded. Day number 7, those 2 people are going to duplicate that effort, because duplication is the key, giving you 640 each for a total of 1280. You're going to take that 1280 and go into day number 8. Oh boy, 1280 into day number 8, with your 2 people duplicating that effort, sending you 1280 apiece for a total of 2,560. From the 2,560, you're going into day number 9. Look at this compounding from $10, guys. 2,560. Your 2 people are going to duplicate that, sending you 2,560 each. That's going to be a total of 5,120. You're going to go into day number 10, hitting your sponsor with 5,120. Your people are going to do the same 2 people. You haven't brought anybody new, same 2. That's 10,240. Day number 11. You're going to go into that 10,240 with your sponsor. Your 2 people are going to go into it with you. That's a total of 20,480 that's ready for day number 12. On day number 12, send your sponsor that 2040, that 2480. Then your people are going to send you 20,480 for a total of 40,960. Day number 13 is already in your pocket. You're going to send that to your sponsor, which is 40,960. Your 2 people are going to duplicate, sending you 40,960 each for a total of 81,920. Guys, we're just on day 13 of compounding $10. All right. Day number 14. You're going to send your sponsor that 81,920. Your 2 people are going to duplicate that effort by sending you 81,920 times the 2, that's 163,840. You're going to go into day number 15. We're halfway there, guys. You're already at 163,000. You're going to send your sponsor $163,000. Time the 2 people is 327,680, which you have ready for day number 16. Day number 16, which begins our second half of this journey, is 327,680 going to your sponsor. Same 2 people, no new 2 people, the same 2, sending you 327,680 each for a total of 655,360, $655,360. Day number 17, same thing happened. You're going to send your sponsor 655,360. Amazing, right? Time the 2 people sending it to you is 1.3 million. You're going to now send 1.3 million to your sponsor in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Of course, we already have transferred into Bitcoin. And at that particular point, your 2 people are going to duplicate that effort, sending you 1.3 million. That's going to be a total of 2.6 million to you. On the 19th day, you send your sponsor 2.6 million. Your 2 people are going to do the same to you for a total of 5.2 million. If you continue this same progress of duplicating and doubling up each time, on the 30th day, you will be looking at 10,737,000 million, rather, 10,737,418,240. Let me hit you with that number again. You're going to be looking at 10,737,418,240. Let's just say within the real world, you only do half of that number. Let's just say you only do 10% of that number. Guys, this is the easiest money that you will ever make. Imagine that. Imagine that. So imagine being able to walk away with 10.7 bill off of a $10 and 2 people venture. That's it. That is all. I can't say any more or make it any difficult than what it is. $10, 2 people. Get in here, focus for 30 days, and let's make this happen. $10, sharing it with 2 people can change your life forever. This your boy KR, your host, Super excited that you stopped by to watch this video. If someone sent it to you, make sure you get back in touch with them and let them know two things. I have my $10 and I'm ready to go grab my two people. Get in here. Let's do this thing for 30 days and let's just see what the outcome is going to be. I look forward to seeing you on our webinar that we're having weekly, and let's make this thing happen within the next 30 days. This is your boy KR. You have a great day. Take care.